Okay, so these are instructions on how to finish the 3 pumpkin collage. Right now, students have already cut their orange pumpkins. They're glued down on the purple paper and they're dry. So if you have any students that have not finished this, and you'll know they haven't because they don't have a paper, then you can give them the leftover orange and purple papers that are attached and just sit them at the indigo table together, and they can cut out their circles first, and they should be able to finish the project along with the other group. So here we go. They're going to have a black crayon, and their goal is to go from the top of the pumpkin and make a letter C on this side. Sorry, I've only got one hand, so it's kind of difficult to draw it, and really emphasize that they're making C lines until the middle of the pumpkin. Then they're making a backwards C line. If they make C lines the whole way across, it's not going to make the pumpkin look round. It's going to make the pumpkin look flat. And oftentimes, a big mistake my kindergartners make, and you may just want to kind of emphasize this, is they don't want to bring their C lines and their curved lines all the way from the top to the bottom of their pumpkin. So here's what sometimes happens. Let's pretend this is the pumpkin. Whoop. What they do is they make these C lines inside the pumpkin like this. And you can show them that mistake and say what you need to do is make sure that you put it all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom. And y'all can look at the pumpkin on my bench over there and just allow kids to really look at it and see how there are curved lines going from the very top where their stem is up here all the way to the bottom. Okay, so that's going to be their first step. When they're done with that, they're going to raise their crayon in the air. And you can go around and collect the crayons. As you collect the crayons, you give them a green piece of paper. Okay? So, with the green piece of paper, I'm going to figure out how to prop this up while I do this. So with the green piece of paper, you're going to have them, you're going to have them cut. So let's do this.